Now, one of the biggest artists in the world on the 23rd of July 2023 shut down the Madison Square Garden, talking about no other than Drizzy Drake. Yeah, we love him out here in Africa. Don't be ignorant. Don't get it twisted. One special thing that he did during his show was to holla and bring out Davido. Shout out to Davido for even going through and for pulling up, and then Drake for recognizing him and, you know, putting him in that limelight, in that large arena. Now, another funny thing that happened during the show that we have to point out is the way girls threw bras on stage, like bras and panties in abundance. Like Drake could literally open a store. So just check out those few highlights, and yeah, and that's what it is. All a blood.
I want to turn Madison Square Garden into the club for just for a second. We're gonna dim the lights. I want you to get with your friends, get with the people you love. What's up? Get with the people you love. If it's all right with you, can I do one shot of tequila just so I can get loose, you know? I don't know if y'all heard that one song. It's like y'all get some drinks going on. I sound a whole lot better in this motherfucker, you know? Yeah. So this is what we're gonna do though. This is my DJ, Future the Prince, my best friend, my brother. What I wanna do, I want to turn Madison Square Garden into the club for just for a second. We're gonna dim the lights. I want you to get with your friends, get with the people you love. What's up? Get with the people you love. Get your drinks together, get everything you need. We're gonna turn the lights down. Dance, enjoy yourself. Put your arm around the people you love. You spent your hard-earned money. You worked your ass off for these tickets. You may as well enjoy it, right?
Professor that said I didn't have the pedigree or ideas or skill set to sort of work in any sort of important context. So every now is perfect for me. I thrive off one now. My job simply isn't just to design clothes. It's to lead by example, to open doors and make sure those doors are open. If I'm going to be the first, you know, it's the younger generation that's going to carry the torch. That's that, but I don't read comments, I don't read reviews, I don't read anything positive. To me,
whatever was going on in your life tonight, I guarantee you that for 2 hours you were able to push it out of your mind and forget about it and enjoy yourself tonight. So whatever you did right here, I want you to take that with you on life's journey. Don't let somebody else's life make you ungrateful. Be happy. You're alive. Anything you want in this lifetime is still right there. It's in your grasp. Trust me. 1 million people told me, yo, no. And a lot of people in New York City told me no. And if, they might be at the show tonight. And if I see them, I'm gonna tell them, go fuck yourself, by the way. No, I'm not gonna do that. But I'm serious though. A lot of people told me no. You wanna know who told me yes? Everybody in this building right here, so I can give a fuck what everybody else has to say. I love you with all my heart. My name is Drake. I can't even begin to express the love that New York's been showing me, but I do greatly appreciate you. I have an album on the way. Because I want you to always remember, I always think about you. I know it's summertime. Are these gel inserts for titties? I don't understand what's happening. Why do y'all get so reckless with the film? And these are sweaty as fuck, by the way. Oh my goodness. You really, this is nasty. But I can't even let it go anymore. It's just stuck to my hand. It's disgusting. Feel it inside out. It's a thrill. Can I ask one favor from y'all tonight at the garden?
I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck we are? It feels like the last few nights we be everywhere back, but I just can't remember it all.
In my shirt, I'm just mobbing like that. You don't put it where, you don't want no problem like that. You gon' make some all around me, catch a body like that. No, don't do it. Which one of us goes in, we all go through it.
Architecture studio.